Okay, so now we're going to talk about how to start your diary entry. Diaries, like stories, start with a hook. A hook is a strong beginning that grabs the reader's attention so that they want to keep reading. It's kind of like a hook that's at the end of a fishing pole, and that's how you grab the fish in. A hook for a story is how you grab readers into wanting to read your story. So you want to have a strong hook to really keep them reading. So there are four types of hooks. The first type of hook is where you just introduce yourself. Like, for example, Dear Diary, it's me, Renee. I know I haven't written in a while, but a lot has been going on. So there, I just remind the diary or remind my diary who I am. The next kind of hook is where you describe the setting, and that's usually the time and the place. For example, Dear Diary, it's Monday, and I have been incredibly busy at home today. So there I said what day it was, the time, Monday, and where I've been at home. Okay, so you could either introduce yourself, you can start by describing the setting. The third way to start a diary or a story is to describe the action. What are the characters doing? Dear Diary, I just finished eating breakfast and my little brother is currently driving me crazy. So here I'm describing what I am doing, the action I'm doing, eating breakfast, and what my little brother is doing. The fourth way you can start a diary is by expressing feelings with an exclamation. Dear Diary, whoa, today was a fun day. So there, I'm explaining how I'm feeling, and it's usually a strong emotion, because that way you can really hook your readers in. So you either can introduce yourself, you can describe the setting, you can describe actions characters are doing, or you can start with an exclamation of feelings.